Welcome, fellow travelers. Today on Exit Through the Gift Shop, we are at the world headquarters of Funko, the Purveyors of Pop Culture. Just inside the front entrance, we have full-size Funkos, pink teddy bear,
right side. So here on the right? Yes.
Lizard Man.
Yeah.
Every room in the store has a different theme. We're currently in WETMORE Forest. And check out these guys, they're adorable. Here's a green bunny rabbit with horns. The theming in here is incredible. There's various different sizes of the Funko Pop characters. There's interactive screens, games for the kids. We're gonna be able to spend some time in here for sure. Look at this guy. Not only is he awesome with wood horns of some sort, but he's got other guys that live in his beard. And standing outside of Funko Pop Gotham is, of course, Batman. And inside of the Arkham Asylum, we've got villains, including the Joker. Amazingly, they've got a whole cave devoted to 1960s themed Batman, including Adam West Batman. And in the background, a lifelike replica of Burt Ward going down the bat pole. And we've got an entire Disney princess castle over here. There's Belle. And over here, Elsa with Olaf. Right at the back here, we're in the Funko Factory. Here's where they keep all the concentrated liquid fun and buckets of parts, which are making their way over to the assembly station. You can actually build your own custom Funko, pick a head, pick a body, pick some accessories, and it's yours. Over in the Harry Potter section, we have Hagrid and his umbrella standing next to Funko Diagon Alley. There they are, Harry Potter, Ron Weasley, and Hermione. But they better watch out. I think there might be some trouble lurking just around the corner. Of course, Chewie is guarding the Funko Star Wars exhibit. This Tauntaun looks so happy, I bet it doesn't even know what it has in store. Over in Marvel Land, we've got Iron Man and the Hulk busting through a wall. And there's so much merchandise, different things to see, I might have to ask for some help. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, can I just have a quick question? Spider-Man hanging out, fighting the Green Goblin. And here's Deadpool hanging out on top of Deadpool's chimichangas. Tons and tons of great photo opportunities in here. This one's my favorite, Jack Skellington. Over in the anime section, there is a giant Godzilla destroying Japan. The amazing thing is, I've been having so much fun checking out the store and enjoying all of the life-size and larger creations that I haven't even checked out the merch. All over the place, there's things that are just super awesome. This is a leather owl backpack, which is not for me, but is still totally cool. Or this equally cool Mike Wazowski backpack. This is every type of Funko Pop imaginable, everything from Game of Thrones or Stranger Things. Unfortunately, I'm taking a look at all of them and I can't find one for poor Barb. Look at these totally cool tin lunchboxes from Stranger Things. Wait a minute, how did Pickle Rick get in here? And I love what they've done with this Funko home video series. These are actually t-shirts in like a 1980s style VHS cassette box. So there's actually a t-shirt inside of here. Beetlejuice, Gremlins, Jurassic Park, and all kinds of other classic movies. And these little handbags are awesome. You can pick your planet, either Endor, Tatooine, or of course Hoth. Or who wouldn't want their own Ewok backpack or their Ewok purse? Alright, so this is another awesome place. There's tons of things to explore. Everywhere you look, there's something new. I could purchase the whole place. It's all really cool merchandise in there. Anything that you like in terms of pop culture, you can probably find it here. Please remember to like and subscribe so that you can stay up to date with all the cool places we go, and check out the interactive map and the links below to see all the places that we've already been. Thanks for watching. Until next time, it's time to exit through the gift shop.